Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about ClickUp. Basically it's a Trello alternative for managing your workload and basically a kind of a to-do list maker for you. So once we're in the ClickUp page, once we've signed up, we can be on the home page. This is it right here, and we can go on the left side and create a space. So we're just gonna name it My Workshop. And we're gonna make it private because we can do that, and we can share it with just specific people only. We can also use templates, so there's tons of different templates you can use, but we're just going to make it on our own. I'm just gonna retype that. Continue. We can choose starter, marketing teams, project management, product engineering. I'm just gonna choose starter for now and just create the space. So right here we have our workshop page, and we can go to the board page, and this is essentially our to-do list, the most important part of the whole ClickUp experience. We can add various tasks, we can add assignees, dates, priority. We can then drag them over to in progress, and then once we're done with them, we can just drag them to complete. And multiple people can work this at once, so it's very easy to manage and share tasks. And yeah, that's pretty much how you use ClickUp app. Anyways, thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and make sure to have a great day. See you in the next one. Goodbye.